In order to physically push yourself so hard, you need to be mentally prepared. You need to be always motivated. So I believe that you need to wake up determined and go back to bed satisfied.
Inspirational, yeah, well, I watch a lot of videos of Ayrton Senna, and he said some really cool things. Once he said that if you don't go for a gap that already exists, then you're not a race driver. And that's something I take pretty seriously. If I see a gap there, I mean, just take it, right? Why let it go? It's a gift.
My crew inspires me the most to keep going. And like whenever I'm down and I'm out of moves and I don't know what else to learn anymore, I just come for practice, sit down, look at my crew, find inspiration from them.
We used to always think, okay, this is crazy, there's no way we can do something like that, but that was like ages ago before we even started trying. Every time you want to dance in front of people, you want to show them something new and not the same old thing that you've been doing. So that kind of like inspired me to try new stuff.
Play with all the big names like Gale, Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers. It's something special to be part of the same team and have conversations with them. And finally, when I got a chance to play, walking into bat in front of 40,000 people was truly inspirational and something that I would cherish.
I personally believe people should start thinking where other people stop thinking. So that inspires me the most.
Parkour is non-competitive, so I compete with myself, my mind.
What I am right now is because of my brother, solely because of my brother. At a very young age, he started working, and there's a 10 years gap between us. So he's actually my role model. So whatever I am right now is because of him.
Don't let anything or anybody demoralize you in any way. If you like something, if you want to follow your dreams, all you need to have is the hard work, the dedication to follow.
I always believe that everything that glitters is gold, because you find an opportunity in almost every little thing that you find. You can make everything creative, everything artistic, if you just put your thought to it. So every day is a new find. You just go for a walk, you find something new, and that starts off your entire project. So that wakes me up in the day.
Each day when I wake up, that's a passion, that's a love towards the art that I do, is one that drives me towards making it happen. I believe that through my work I can bring a change. That's what drives me each day.